Hi there, students. Do you know what an ambush is? Okay, I think soldiers use this. Is when they hide somewhere in a good position, and they wait for the enemy to walk into a trap, to walk into an ambush. Okay? But nowadays, I think it's probably more common using it figuratively, to mean to trick somebody, to put a situation up where they do something wrong. The boss was looking for me and I was trying to avoid him, but he ambushed me in the corridor. Maybe he waited somewhere and suddenly appeared and I couldn't get away. Okay? So it's like an ambush. Yeah? So notice to lie in ambush, not to lay in ambush, to lie in ambush. Yeah? You are laying a trap, if you like. So to ambush someone, to catch them when they're unawares. Yeah? He ambushed me and asked me for the money I owed him, although I had been trying to avoid him for weeks. The question was clearly an ambush, because if I answered yes, I was going to be in trouble, and if I answered no, I was going to be in trouble. Yeah? So, ambush, to ambush. Yeah? To catch someone in a trap, to lie in wait and then act. Okay? So, yeah, when you're ambushed, you're not expecting it. Yeah? It suddenly happens to you. I think very often the police are waiting on the road to make you blow in the bag to see if you've been drinking. Yeah? I'd call that an ambush, although they would call it checking the traffic. Anyway, enough. An ambush, to ambush somebody. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.